So next question is letter G, which is 2 over 3x minus 3 over 4 equal to 1 over 6x plus 21 over 4. So this one looks a little bit similar to previous question, which is this one, but difference is it has 4 different denominators here. So you need to find the common denominator. It doesn't have to be least common denominator, but I recommend to find least common denominator because that will make your job a little bit easier. Okay? And then you have trouble to work on this problem, then I have another way to do it, so which I will show you. So 2 different ways I'm going to show you. First of all, finding LCD. So LCD case, this case will be 12 because 3 case become 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, like that. 4 is 4, 8, 12, and 16 like that. And 6 is 6, 12, 18, something like that. So as you see, 12 is the least common denominator. So now you multiply 12 every term, like what we did before. So, which means, looks like a distributive property again. So you multiply each term here. Then this is going to be 12 times 2 over 3x minus 12 times 3 over 4 equal to 12 times 1 over 6x plus 12 times 21 over 4. Okay. Before we are calculating, we want to simplify the multiplying number with each denominator. So 3 and 12 become 4, 4 and 12 become 3, 6 and 12 becomes 2, 4 and 12 become 3 again. Therefore, the remaining term becomes 8x. 4 times 2 becomes 8. 3 times 3 becomes 9. 2 times 1 becomes 2. And 3 times 21 becomes 63. Okay. So, now it looks like a normal equation, but we have the variable and constant are together on both sides. So you determine where you want to gather the variable terms and where you want to gather constant term. We usually gather the variable on the left side. So I'm gonna subtract 2x here. At the same time, I'm gonna combine 9 on the both sides. So this becomes 6x equal to 72. Now you divide by 6, then x becomes 12. Okay, and so next one is I. So 2 over 3x minus x plus 2 over 6 equal to 5x minus 2 over 2. So as I told you, we have another way to solve this problem. This case we are using LCD, but now this problem I'm gonna introduce different way to do it. Because some of you have some difficulty to find the LCD. Of course you can find it, that will be great. But if not, then you may consider this method again. So, now how many denominators do you see here? 3, 6, 2. I usually multiply biggest denominator value first, but you don't have to. Okay, so what I want to do, this case, because I want to show multiple step, this case, if you want to multiply 3 first, 2 first, 6 first, it is up to you. But I'm gonna multiply smallest number first. But I usually do biggest one first, because that number can be common denominator though. But this case I want to show more steps, so I'm gonna multiply 2 first. So now you distribute. Okay, then this become 2 times 2 over 3 x minus 2 times x plus 2 over 6 equal to 2 times 5x minus 2 over 2. Now you simplify if possible. Unfortunately, this one we cannot simplify, so you multiply these two numbers, then this is going to be 4 over 3x minus, fortunately we can simplify this, 2 become 1, 6 become 3, so becomes x plus 2 over 3 equal to, and 2 and 2 cancelled out, so it becomes 5x minus 2. Now we still have the denominator, which is 3. So you multiply every term again. Whenever you do, you have to multiply every term. That's the key. And distribute again. Then this becomes 3 times 4 over 3x minus 3 times x plus 2 over 3 equal to 3 times 5x minus 2. Now simplify if possible. So as you see, 3 and 3 cancelled out, and 3 and 3 cancelled out. So now I'm going to reorganize without writing denominator. Then this become 4x minus x plus 2 equal to, now this term you can distribute, then this become 15x minus 6. So next step, you distribute. If you get confused, then you may think they are imaginary 1, then it becomes 4x minus x minus 2 equal to 15x minus 6. Combine like term, then 3x minus 2 equal to 15x minus 6. Now this one looks like this step here, so I'm going to gather the variable on one side and constants on the other side. We usually gather the variable on the left side, so I'm going to show that step though. But if you want to move on to the right side, then that's fine too. So minus 15x. At the same time, plus 2. Then these two cancelled out, so left over negative 12x equal to negative 4. Now you divide by negative 12, then answer x become 1 over 3. Remember, negative divided by negative become positive. So I didn't write any sign in here. Without sign means positive number anyway. Okay?